Good morning, children. This is Sharda from Little Heart Publications, and today I am here to teach you maths. And the fourth chapter is two-digit numbers 10 to 50. Children, already we learned how to read and write numbers from 0 to 9, and we use these 0 to 9 numbers for writing two-digit numbers from 10 to 50. The first and the foremost two-digit number is 10. That is 1 followed by a 0 is 10. 11. 10 plus 1 is 11, and it is written as 2 ones side by side. 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. That is 1 next to 2. 12. 13. 1 and 3 and 13. 10 plus 3 is 13. 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 and 4. 15. 10 plus 5, 15. 16. 10 plus 6, and it's written as 1 and 6. 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. 18. 10 plus 8. 19. 10 plus 9, that is 19. 1 and 9. 20. After 19 comes 20, that is 2, and for 2 followed by a 0 is 20. In the same way, we shall continue from 20, 21, 22, 23 like that. These are the spellings of 10 to 20 you can learn. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you should be able to learn the number names, and that is the spellings of these numbers. After 20 comes 21, 22, 23. Twenty-four, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 comes 30, THIRTY. So in this way, you should be able to learn the number names from 10 to 50 also. Until now, we have written only up to 30. Next comes 31. So 31 to 39, in the same way as we have written from 20 to 29, you can easily write until 39. Next comes 40. Next comes 50. So in this way, you should be able to write the number names up to 50. This is 3 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. Oh, I forgot to tell you that in the two-digit number, the first number it takes ones place, and the next number takes tens place. It is 3 tens, 2 ones. So it is written as 32. This is 37. When 3 is in the tens place, we should read it as 37, 38 like that. When 2 is in the tens place, we should read it along with 20. And this comes 39. Next comes 40. After 39, we have 40. As we have written from 20 to 29, we can easily write from 41 to 49 easily, 41, 42 like this. Now, the number name for this is 43. This is 46. Just I am writing randomly some number names with 40. And this is, next comes 49. Not next. After 49 we have 50. So according to the digit in the tens place, you have to read out the number. When there is 2 in the tens place, we should read it with 20 and the number in the ones place. And when there is 3 in the tens place, if the number is 5 in the ones place, we have to read it as 35. When there is 4 in the tens place, you have to read it as 40 and the number in the ones place. If it is 2, 42, 5, 45 like this. So after 49 comes 50. So if you know the spellings of 20, 30, 40, 50, you can write any number name. Now, write the number names for. So this is 3 is in the tens place where we read it as 30 and 5 in the ones place 35. This is 17 we know. 1 and 7 is read as 17. This is 2 in the tens place, so we read it as 20. 8 in the ones place 28. And here 4 in the tens, so 43. And this is 50. So in this way you should be able to write number names from 10 to 50. You should be careful with the spellings even. Next, children, representation of numbers on abacus. Representation of numbers on abacus. Abacus is a wooden frame with rows of wires along which beads are used for counting numbers. It is a wooden frame and 2 sticks will be there, and we can insert beads into them along with beads. So first rod, this is right side rod represents ones and left side rod represents tens. According to the number of beads on this, you can write the number. So here 3, 4. So it is 34. How do we write it? 34. Tens, ones. 4 tens and no beads are here. 40. So we read it as 40. So in this way, you can count the number of beads on the tens and ones place, and you can write the number and its number name. So this is the representation of numbers on abacus. Tens, ones, 2, 7. 27. We read it as 27. And number is given. Represent it on the abacus now. Tens, ones, 4, 5. So draw the number of beads according to the number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 36. Numbers are given here. You have to count the number of beads and draw on the tens place 3, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way, you can write draw the number of beads according to the number. This is about abacus, drawing the beads according to the number and counting the beads and writing the number. Now, we shall write the missing numbers. So we shall write the missing numbers here. After 10 comes 11. Please learn the order first. 10, 11, 12, 13 is given. Next comes 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19 comes 20. 21 is given, 22, 23. Next comes 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. In this way, you can complete the missing numbers in a given set of numbers. And write the numbers for the given number name. $19. So write the Write the numbers for the given number names. 19, 24, 35, 'So number names are given. You have to write the number 19. 1, 9. 24. 24 means 2 in the tens place, 4 in the ones. 35. 40, 4 and 0, 40. 42, 4 in the tens, 2 in the ones. So you can write the number names like this. Numbers for the given number names. Fill in the missing letters. Number names, some letters are missing. ELEVEN 11. FOURTEEN 14. TWENTY 20. THIRTY TWO 32. FIFTY 50. So you should be able to learn the spellings from 11 to 50, and then only you can fill in the missing letters easily. 10 minutes. Yes, children, count the number of objects and write the number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As there is plus here, count after 6 here, forward counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Next again plus is there here, after 16 start forward counting. 17, 18, 19, 20. So the number of apples are 20. So in this way you should be able to count the number of objects after 9, and you should be able to write the number. Just that is for forward counting, and you should learn the order of numbers from 1 to 50 like this. Write tens and ones for the number. Given number. How many tens, how many ones? See here 2 and 7. 7 in the ones, 2 in the tens. So the first digit from right side always takes ones place, and the next takes tens place. 2 tens, 7 ones. Number name is 27. Four tens, 3 ones. So 4 in the tens and 3 in the ones. The number name is 43. So these are the tens and ones. You should be able to separate tens and ones for the given number. Expanded form for a 2-digit number. 38. This is the expanded form is just writing the tens and ones and adding them. So 80 is in the ones place, 3 is in the tens place. 3 tens plus 8 ones. That is the expanded form. 3 tens is equal to 30 plus 8. 30 plus 8 is the expanded form of 38. 42. 2 in the ones, 4 in the tens. 4 tens plus 2 ones. 4 tens is 40 plus 2. 40 plus 2 is the expanded form. And children, there are many exercises regarding these models from 37 to 43. You can complete this. Worksheet will be sent through WhatsApp. Thank you.